in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Wood County in north central Texas until 8:15 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., rainfall and runoff will likely result in continued flash flooding. Low-lying areas are most vulnerable to rapidly rising water. Some low water crossings may flood and become impassable. Some locations that will experience flooding include Granbury, Pecan Plantation, Lipan, Old Trail Shores, and Toller. It is much more difficult to recognize the dangers of flash flooding at night. If you come across floodwaters, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.